Hello, Manj. Hi.
Oh, hey.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah,
so this is
thanks.
recording. I know you wanted to tell us about the Sardar Co gifts that are coming out. So what's the sort of information you can give us?
Yeah, so here at HQ, we've put together a list of our top 5 Christmas, Diwali, New Year's, birthday gifts, and I want to run through that list with you. You don't want to leave your Christmas shopping too late, otherwise you'll find yourself frantically searching on Amazon for beard baubles, and that's not a good look on anyone. So let's get straight into my top 5. So top of our list is the Ultimate Beard Care gift set. As the name suggests, this is the ultimate beard care gift set. It contains a beard oil, beard balm, mustache wax, beard wash, as well as a beard comb and a beard brush. Basically, all the essentials any budding beardsman needs. And number 2 on our list is our Nourishing Hair Oil. Now, this product has been our top seller for the last 3 months running, and we're expecting it to be massive for Christmas. It's the perfect hair oil for the whole family. Anyone can use it, from her to him to even the children. You need to get your hands on this hair oil before it runs out. So number 3 on our list, and my personal favorite, is the Beard Care Travel gift set. This is the perfect gift set for anyone who's on the go. It contains a beard oil, a beard balm, beard brush, and a beard comb, all neatly bundled together in our classic toiletry travel bag. Number 4 on our list is our Cordless beard straightener. This was our hottest selling product last year, and it's already flying off the shelves. It's perfect for anyone who has short hair or long hair who wants to smoothen, soften, as well as straighten their beard hair. Lastly on our list is the Beard Growth Bundle. This is the perfect gift for anyone looking to maintain and grow their beard. This set contains a lavender and tea tree scented beard oil, a beard wash of the same scent, a beard growth roller, and a beard brush.
Okay, so I think Secret Santa is so much fun. Do you have anything for maybe, say, stocking fillers?
Yeah, actually, we do. If you find yourself scratching your head for Secret Santa gifts or stocking fillers this year, you're going to want to check out our limited edition coffee and walnut beard oil. Now, we've only produced this beard oil for the winter this year, so we have limited stock available. It's a beautiful scent of coffee and walnut with a hint of cocoa and vanilla in there. Or you can check out our new mustache wax. It's available in 5 different scents, and it's the perfect gift for that guy who wants to keep their mustache in place throughout the day.
So before I let you get back to work, I know there's a massive announcement you want to tell your TSC family. Come on, tell us already.
Okay, so recently we've won not 1, but 2 new awards.
Woo!
We've just snapped up the Beard Care Retailer of the Year and Best Beard Care Brand 2020. When it comes to beard care, we've got the badge and we know what we're talking about.
Amazing. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Now you can get back to do your beard
Oh, thanks.
stuff or whatever you guys want to do.
Yeah.
See ya.